Could these 5 habits be damaging your teeth? I'm going to take a holistic look at how to really care for your teeth and gums, because it goes beyond just brushing and flossing twice a day. It's about understanding the connection between your oral health and your overall well-being. If you want to have healthy teeth and gums, there's a few things you need to do. I'm Dr. Rachel, holistic dentist with over 30 years experience, and I'm going to go through that with you today. I want you to imagine your teeth and your mouth and your gums a bit like a well-built house. The enamel, which is the outer part of your teeth, this is the sturdy walls that protects the rooms and the insides of your house. In your tooth, this is called your pulp, and this is where the nerves and the blood vessels live. Now, if you get plaque buildup on your teeth, it's like getting termites in your house, and they're going to start munching and destroying things. So that might not seem too bad at first, but those bacteria left to their own means and devices, just like termites, are going to eat away at your teeth. Those bacteria produce acid, and that starts to slowly eat away at the enamel, and it weakens the protective coating of your tooth. Now, the other thing that happens if you've got bacteria everywhere is that plaque buildup inflames the gums, and that is like the foundation for your health. For your house, as well as your health, by the way. And this will lead to gum disease, and untreated, this will go on to destroy the bone that holds your teeth in, and in severe cases, you will get tooth loss. And that's just like letting your house collapse because termites have run rampant through it. So how do we combat that? Well, all dentists will tell you, you need to brush and floss. You need to brush and clean in between your teeth. You can use floss if you want to. I don't rate it. I think you're better off with a proxy brush or a water pick, and then you can blast those bacteria away and remove them before they cause major damage. Just like catching termites early, this can save your house, or in this case, your teeth. So let's have a look at the top 5 habits that can damage your teeth. Well, top of my list as your dentist is neglecting professional cleanings and checkups. These visits are crucial for maintaining healthy teeth. The professional cleanings, they reduce plaque and tartar buildup that you can't get to or you can't remove on your own. And this tartar hardens, irritates the gums, and it leads to gingivitis. So that tartar builds up above the gum line, and you can often see it like on the backs of your teeth or yellowy in between, but it will also build up under the gum line, like getting dirt under your fingernails. It needs to be cleaned out. So when you are brushing and using your interdental cleaners, that's like washing your hands and cleaning in between your fingers. My job as your dentist is to get under the fingernails, so to speak, and clean out what you can't remove for yourself and break away that hardened tartar buildup that your toothbrush will not shift. If it's left too long, you will get cavities, you will get gum disease, and in the early stages, decay can be reversed. Gum disease can be reversed, and we really need to have early intervention to prevent you from having more serious problems. Now, your oral health is a window to your overall health. Gum disease has been linked to chronic health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, respiratory issues, dementia, and types of cancer like colon cancer. Regular dental visits will ensure that we keep your teeth healthy, but we're also contributing to keeping you healthy and having really good overall well-being. So number 2, unhealthy diet choices. A diet high in sugar, acidic foods, acidic drinks. This is going to cause absolute mayhem with your teeth. Sugary foods, that's a feeding frenzy for the bacteria in your mouth, just like a bloody great big bunch of piranha going berserk in the Amazon jungle somewhere. So there's 2 things that happen when this feeding frenzy goes on. It increases the amount of bacteria. They start breeding, they're having sex and having babies and multiplying all over the place, and you're going to get increased plaque formation. The other thing that it does is that plaque releases more acids, and that acid is a byproduct that they poop out, and it erodes your tooth enamel, and that just weakens and destroys that outer protective layer, the enamel of your teeth. And then once that happens, you are prone to decay, and we often can't reverse it, and you will need a filling. Think of your teeth as like the gatekeepers to your digestive system. The food that you choose not only impacts your oral health, but it's going to influence your gut health and your gut bacteria as well. And that plays a crucial role in overall immunity and well-being. Quite frankly, if you're eating a lot of sugar, not only are you getting a feeding frenzy of the bacteria in your mouth, but the ones in your gut go on a feeding frenzy as well. And you get bloating, you get leaky gut, you get proliferation in bad bacteria, you destroy your microbiome, you can get candida buildup, and you can just have all sorts of health problems if you don't eat well. I'm a big fan of low carb, low sugar, good protein, lots of fat, clean water, simple. I know, but it works. Number 3, treating your teeth like tools. Don't be a tool. Don't use your teeth as tools. Tool. Don't be a total tool. Anyway, there's this great hardware store in Australia called Totally Tools. I love it. Anyway, that's kind of by the by. Let's go back to this. I don't want to see you using your teeth to open bottles, packages, crack nuts, rip sticky tape, chew your fingernails. I mean, it might seem like it's a quick solution to just stick things between your teeth, but I'm telling you now, it leads to chipped, cracked, and even broken teeth. And this can be painful, it can look ugly, it can require costly dentistry to fix it and put it right. Your body is so beautifully interconnected, and damaging your teeth can cause pain and discomfort. This can impact on your ability to chew properly. It can potentially affect your digestive health, and dental procedures can be quite stressful, and that's going to impact on your overall well-being as well as the cost to your hip pocket and your credit card. Number 4, chronic stress. Stress is going to manifest in various ways, and unfortunately one of the things that happens is we get an increase in teeth grinding and clenching. This puts immense pressure and immense forces onto your teeth and jaw. It leads to pain, cracked teeth, worn down enamel. Chronic stress affects your entire body. That includes your immune system. It makes you more susceptible to infections, coughs, colds, and also gum disease. Stress can disrupt your sleep, and that's going to impact on your body's natural healing processes, which you need to maintain healthy teeth and gums. Number 5, smoking and tobacco use. Smoking, it stains your teeth, it irritates your gums, it significantly increases your risk of gum disease and oral cancer. It weakens your immune system, and it hinders your body's ability to fight off infections and heal properly. It also restricts your peripheral blood flow. So that's blood flow to the ends of things, so like your fingers, your toes, but also your gums. And when you've got poor blood flow into your gum tissue, you get reduced oxygenation, you get reduced blood supply, therefore there's not as many nutrients and minerals coming through. There's not enough oxygen there, enough white blood cells to heal. Then what happens, you're getting a buildup of toxins and NACs and oxidants, and that can't get removed and cleared away. And this is why gum disease is such a problem, as well as changing the oral microbiome and creating an environment where bacteria breed really quickly. Oral cancer, it's devastating. By the time it gets diagnosed, it's often quite late on. It has a really detrimental impact on your health and well-being. We have to often chop bits of tongue, cheek and jawbones away, and that's going to really impact the quality of your life, your ability to eat and speak and even breathe normally. Smoking can negatively impact cardiovascular health and your lung function, as we all know. So by addressing these 5 habits and incorporating some healthier practices into your routine, we can keep your smile bright and support your overall well-being. Now, if you would like to know about some really key nutritional tips that you can employ to look after your teeth and gums, then you want to watch this video here.